Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Mahalaya, and today is basically the beginning of Durga Puja, you may say. So I thought of doing something special. So I'm presenting few of our Bengali dishes that we prefer to cook during this span of time. Today first I'll be preparing some jeera rice, which is not so Bengali thing, but then yes, we do cook. So this is, you can say, bong style jeera rice. So I'm taking pure ghee and some garam masala, and then I'll take some jeera. Well, I'm absolutely a novice, and I don't know if everything is gonna be fine. So this is some boiled basmati rice, and it's normal boiled rice. And excuse me, because my kitchen is not that posh. Okay, so I have taken little ghee and then putting the jeera, and just like that I'm gonna stir it and add all the garam masala, the whole garam masala, to the kadhai. And again I'll stir it a little bit, and now it's time to pour all the rice to this. So yes, and now I'm gonna stir it really well. So my kitchen is like a pure bong kitchen, nothing fancy, no modular, nothing. So yes, and I don't really cook regularly, but yes, I love to cook. And yes, cooking actually reduces depression. It brings the family together, because when you cook you put all your love and effort. Now I'm adding some salt to it and just stirring it again and mixing it really well, so that the salt doesn't stays at a place and mixes really well. Yeah, it was so simple, isn't it? Like, this is my style. And jeera rice is ready. Okay, now next I'll be cooking some paneer, masala paneer, and with some mustard oil, of course. So after I heat the pan, I'm putting some mustard oil to it and let it boil a little bit, that dhua aane tak wait. So yes, I'll wait till the dhua comes, and now it is, yes, can you see? Now I'll put the whole garam masala to this, and I'll wait a few minutes and see it's popping, and I'm so scared. Yeah, and then some jeera to it. Now after this I'll add some bay leaves, uh, the tej patta. So I'm adding two to it and then stirring it really well for again some time. And yes, now I'll be adding the paneer. So after adding the paneer, I'll stir it for a while, still till it gets the reddish brown kind of color. Yes, and it's really difficult to cook while you are shooting and stuff. So yeah. So yes, I'll wait for some more time, and yes, my paneer is ready. So now again I'll put some more oil, because yeah, that was not sufficient. And now I'm adding ginger garlic paste. Yes, I love garlic actually, so I'm adding little more. Then some green chilies. I won't make it that spicy, because in my family nobody likes spicy food other than me. So yes, and you have to stir this really well, alright? So stir it really well till it gets that color and it gets stuck kind of. And yes, this is how you're gonna stir the masala, and keep on stirring it. And when it gets the color, the brownish color, you can add the rest of the masalas. So after this I'm adding the onion and let it cook till it gets again the brown color. So I'll have to cook it till this kind of time, and I'm adding whole dhania, okay, whole coriander seeds. So after this now it's time to add the Kashmiri lal mirch. This will give a nice color to our recipe, because as I told you, no one loves spices in our house like the chili spice. And now it's time for the tomatoes. So we'll have to cook it really well and add little salt to it so that it gets mashed really quick. So Kashmiri lal mirch is really important in our family. So what I'll do is I'll take away the masala and paste it and keep it aside. Now here I'm again adding some Kashmiri mirch to the ghee or tel, whatever you're taking, adding dhania powder and mixing it together, yes, nicely. And then I'm putting the masala that I have pasted, this onion, tomato and stuff all together, this paste. And look at that color, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Now I'll have to stir it for a while so that the oil comes up. And now it's time for some garam masala. Yes, I have not added any water to the gravy, it's all the original form. And now I'm adding the capsicum. Well, this is basically if you want vegetables you can, if you don't want you may not. And some salt. This salt is gonna taste, it's for the taste, and that one was just to melt those vegetables into puree and let it boil. And now I'm adding the water. So just the way you want the gravy to be you can add. Alright, and then mix all of this together. And now you can add the paneer. So the paneer goes in, and now you can stir it really well. Yes, and let it mix all together, like the masalas, the vegetables, the paneer, all together. So yes, it has come to boil now. I'm adding some kasuri methi to it. Yes, I love the fragrance of kasuri methi. And some cream. Yum. I love cream too in my vegetables, in my curries. I just love. So yes, mix all the cream together. Keep on stirring. Do not stop. Just now I'm adding some coriander, fresh coriander leaves. So this will give a very gorgeous fragrance to your masala paneer, and this is actually yum. Trust me, do try this. So the next ingredient, the next menu, the recipe of besan ka halwa I'll be sharing. So for this I'm taking some ghee, and I'll just wait till it melts and then add 2 elaichi, well that's cardamom, and I'll wait till it melts just like so. And now I'll add besan and keep on stirring, because you have to stir it rigorously, otherwise it will form some lumps. So you don't want lumps in your halwa, so you have to keep on stirring. So yes, my camera and the cooking thing is not going together. It's way too difficult. So yes, I'll have to think of some other option basically if I have to shoot any stuff like this for cooking things. So then this is how you're gonna stir it rigorously, and yes, make sure there are no lumps. And mix all the ghee and the besan thoroughly, nicely. Yes, it definitely takes a little bit of time. And now it's time to add the doodh, milk. So the milk is like, it can be hot or cold, anything. It hardly matters. So it's better you put the milk and then stir it continuously. So as because there is camera and everything else, so I have taken help from my domestic help this time. She was there obviously because it's really difficult for me to do it single-handedly, like with the camera and everything. So yes, just like that. But then you don't like, you cannot stop stirring the what is it, the besan ka halwa. So you have to keep on stirring it, so that the lumps do not form. All right, so keep on stirring it. It might cause little pain in your arms, but then कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ सहना पड़ता है. And now my halwa is ready almost. Just add the sugar and stir it really well till it melts. And after it melts, you can add dry fruits, kesar, whatever you feel like. Yes. So that was it for today, and I'll see you guys really soon. Hope you enjoyed.